TATE automatic stud welding machine for plastering trowel. It can weld the stud to the trowel at high speed, accurately and firmly. After welding, the stud will not fall off for life. And there is no mark on the back of the product, and the position tolerance of the stud can be controlled within 0.5 millimeters. We are the source manufacturer of plastering trowel automatic welding equipment, and can provide you with all the equipment and mature solutions required for the production of trowels. We directly provide you with machines and after-sales service. No middleman earns the difference. The price of the machine is cheaper, and the service is better. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.